Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goel, and in this video we are going to solve when 5 power 5 times 4 power 7 is given. So I can write this equation as 5 power 5 times 4 power 5 plus 2, or according to the rule of exponent I can write a power b plus c is equals to a power b times a power c. So 5 power 5 times 4 power 5 times 4 power 2. Now, according to rule of exponent, a power b times c power b is ac whole power b. So we can write 5 times 4 is 20 whole power 5 times 4 square. 20 we can break it as 10 times 2 whole power is 5 times 4 we can break it as 2 square and whole square. Now 10 power 5 times 2 power 5 times 2 power 4 we can write it as 10 times 5 10 power 5 times, again we can use this property and we can write it as 2 power 5 plus 4 is 9. So we know that the 2 power 9 is 512. So we can write 512 times 10 power 5 or 5.12 times 10 power 7. So this is our final answer. We can solve this type of problem like this. I hope you find it useful. Please give us a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned.